So, you got an Arduino and you're excited to start writing programs for it, but you don't quite know where to begin. I'll help you start out simple by writing a small program that lights up an LED and will progress to making it blink and fade in and out. If you haven't already done so, you should download and install the Arduino development environment, make sure you can get it running, and make sure that you can connect your Arduino and have it get recognized by your computer. You should also have at least a little bit of programming experience because everything but the simplest of circuits will require you to write some code. You'll need the following hardware: an Arduino with a USB cable, an LED, a resistor, some jumper wires, and a breadboard. The schematic for this circuit is fairly simple. First, connect pin 13 to your resistor. Then your resistor to the positive end of your LED, and then the negative end of your LED to the ground on the Arduino. This is an example of what the finished circuit should look like. I have a jumper wire going from pin 13 to the breadboard. There's a resistor connected to that row, which also connects to a row with an LED in it. The LED is in the same row as a jumper wire, which is connected to ground on my Arduino. In case you don't know, you can tell which an end of an LED is positive and which is negative in one of two ways. First, the positive end is the one with the longer lead on it. So you can clearly see that this end is longer and it's positive. Second, the negative end, it may be hard to see here, is flat on one side. So this, what's on top here, is negative, and right here it's flat. Maybe easier to look at what you have at home. Okay, now that the circuit is wired up, connect your Arduino to your computer and let's write some code for it. Here you can see the code to simply light up the LED. I define a variable to hold which pin my LED is connected to. This is good coding practice for your Arduino programs, since you may be connecting a lot of things to various pins and you don't want to constantly be checking what you have on pins 6, 8, and 9, or where you put your servo motor. The Arduino has a couple of predefined functions that almost every program will make use of. The first is setup, and is called when the Arduino is first started, either when it powers on, is reset, or a program is uploaded. In this function, I'm using the pin mode function to let the Arduino know that I intend to use the LED pin for output. The second function is the loop function, and this function is called over and over as long as the Arduino is powered. In it, I use digital write to set the value of the LED pin to high. This function can also set this value to low. Now, I'll upload this program and show you the results. Alright, you can see the working circuit. My LED is lit up. You also see there's a little LED lit up on the actual Arduino board. I'll show you this again in a later circuit. You'll see that this LED is actually connected to the high and low setting for pin 13 and is pretty useful if you want to just do some quick and dirty output without having to muck about with all this wiring and stuff. So I hope that you found this helpful and a good introduction to your Arduino programming world. Go ahead and watch the next couple videos because I'll extend this circuit and the programming and see if we can't get a little bit more interesting than just lighting something up. Thanks for watching.